As you can see, my garage is an absolute disaster. So what we need to do is we need to get this place actually cleaned, organized, so that we can, build a workbench in here, get some projects done. I clearly have not finished putting everything away, but I've gotten to this point, and now essentially all I'm doing is taking everything off this wall, moving it that way. Because that way then, this wall is going to become a workbench with shelves above and storage below. Here's the thing, I really enjoy using hand saws. One day I would like to sharpen this saw and see if it actually cuts. They're not gonna be perfect. This is what we're gonna use to line the bottom. we go. There's part of it done. Nothing too crazy. I have more insulation. We're okay.
I have is like when you go 18 or 21 inches.
Yep. How am I gonna secure here?
Yeah.
I thought about that too, and I should have put this lower so I could set it on top. That's what I should have done. Not doing that, obviously.
Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, we can just screw it in.
That's what I was gonna do. I was just
You're
gonna
have the toenail in.
Yep. Get this. These last two in, and I'm just gonna keep going. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see where even more I get. Down here.
Oh yeah.
21. So I'm only going.
Okay, you got out.
I see.
Put one on the top, one on the bottom.
And we put the top on. That'll tie all this together.
Down.
Not a car carpenter. And I built this. I'm like, you know what? I didn't do too bad.
Ready for plywood?
Yeah, let's just cut it on the tailgate of the truck. I'm actually a big. If the door didn't open, if we built it all the way to the door. Here. So what I'm doing here is I'm now organizing the tools that I pulled out of that tote, and I'm putting them in this toolbox. All those tools previously came from a different garage at my father's house that I worked out of prior to buying this current house, and it was a lot larger of a shop. I ended up selling that toolbox, and now I'm condensing everything into this toolbox and that orange cart I showed previously, and that you'll see in the outro as well. In doing this, I am just, making everything fit, and this toolbox is actually getting very full. As you guys can see, I have got my shelf installed. I have also gotten the workbench in, and I actually just finished a job, which is why the workbench is full of stuff. Saws, ropes, all my harness, both of them. I gotta get all that cleaned up, but until then, just wanted to real quick wrap up this video because it's already getting too long. But workbench is in. I was able to slide my cart under the workbench, fit perfectly with the wheels. Removed. This is just part one. There'll be more coming to the garage. I gotta fix the garage doors and stuff like that. But right now, it's actually really cold. It's like January, end of January, and it was like -20 this morning. But I got some time, the installation's done. The garage is a moderate temperature. I would say it's probably like 30-ish in here. It's still below freezing because you can see my breath. But we're making progress. All my attention now is focused on the chipper, getting that painted, which will be an interesting feat. But getting the new knives, service done, all that painted, so that I can proceed with moving on to other projects once that's done, because that's taking up half of my garage. But thank you guys for watching. There's going to be more to come with the garage and just making everything better and more efficient in here, lighting, all sorts of stuff. And we'll see you next time.